Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erinmoles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Erubba and the Unfulfilled Promise to Mother Ceiba. Story. Erubba, the fruit vendor, made her way to the market each day, carrying her basket on her head as she passed beneath the great Iroko tree. Every morning she left an offering at its base and pleaded for the blessing of a child to help her in her work. In return for this favor, Erubba vowed to sacrifice a ram. Mother Ceiba heard her supplication. After Erubba performed the ritual Ashu Eren Iya Obi Omo, she gave birth to a daughter, but once her child was born, Erubba forgot her promise. She ceased visiting Iroko and neglected the offerings she had so earnestly made. Years later, Erubba and her daughter walked by the tree's shadow. Erubba greeted Iroko and continued on. Striding more quickly than usual, her basket perched atop her head. The little girl, drawn by the life owed to this ancient guardian, paused to pick up a pebble and marvel at a sprig of grass, ignoring her mother's hastening steps. When Erubba had gone some distance, she turned and called for her daughter, but to her horror she saw Iroko dancing wildly. The tree's massive roots yawned open, creating a hollow in the earth, and her child stooped to enter it. Erubba ran forward, but the ground closed around the little girl, leaving only her head above the soil. "Pardon me, Iroko. Pardon, Iroko," the woman wailed. "I will repay what I owe you." She began to offer the following chants and sacrifices. Karakarusa yaye eure. Agutan emele cambio. Mole mile cambro yan yan irka. But Mother Ceiba remained implacable. She sang back in her deep, echoing voice, Yon 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 KÚÀMΗ mo, LÓRÀYỌ KÚÀN, KOMMO LÁYỌ KÚÀMỌ. And then she swallowed the child whole.